Effortless grooming sessions await with premium vacuum kits that combine powerful suction with effective cleaning solutions. These kits provide a seamless experience by picking up pet hair while you groom, ensuring your home remains tidy without the extra effort. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best pet grooming vacuum kits you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Bringing home a powerful solution to pet grooming chaos, the Neakasa by Neabot P1 Pro transforms the way you care for your furry friends. Delivering a strong 9,000 pascal suction, it instantly captures stray hairs, keeping your space tidy without stress. Operating quietly at only 52 decibels, it offers a peaceful grooming session that both pets and owners appreciate. Equipped with 5 specialized grooming tools, the P1 Pro enhances the grooming routine. The grooming brush gently clears loose hair and dander while revitalizing the coat's shine. Tangles and mats are easily managed, ensuring your pet's comfort. The electric clippers feature an adjustable comb with options of 3, 6, 12, 18, and 24 millimeters, allowing you to trim to perfection at home without the chaos. The de-shedding tool expertly removes loose, dead undercoat hair, reducing shedding and keeping your pet looking sleek. To further simplify cleaning, the nozzle head and hair remover roller efficiently pick up pet hair from furniture and floors, making home maintenance easier than ever. Forget the usual grooming battles. furMe Grooming Vacuum transforms pet care into a stress-free ritual. Built for modern pet owners, the kit offers a grooming brush, electric clippers, de-shedding tool, and 2 precision cleaning tools. Whether you're taming a thick mane or smoothing a short coat, furMe ensures every session is efficient and thorough. Thanks to its 10,500 pascal suction power, nearly 99% of pet hair and dander are captured instantly, keeping your home pristine. Combined with a 2-liter collection bin, it means no more frantic sweeping or clogged brushes after grooming. Operating at a gentle 42 to 75 decibels, furMe calms anxious pets by reducing noise and vibration, delivering a soothing experience every time. Versatility stands at the heart of furMe's design. Whether your furry companion boasts long, short, curly, or straight fur, this system adjusts seamlessly. The Oneisall Cordless Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit is a revolutionary tool for pet owners who want to maintain their pet's hygiene while minimizing the mess. With a powerful 10,000 pascal suction, this all-in-one grooming kit is designed to effectively collect 99% of pet hair directly into its dust cup, preventing unwanted fur from spreading. Equipped with various accessories like a grooming brush, de-shedding brush, clipper, and crevice tool, it provides a comprehensive solution to all your pet care needs. This grooming kit offers unmatched convenience with its cordless design, giving you the freedom to groom your pets anywhere without being restricted by power outlets. The 5,100 milliamp hour rechargeable battery ensures up to 60 minutes of use on a single charge, making it perfect for grooming sessions at home or on the go. Thanks to the low-noise motor operating at just 60 decibels, it ensures a comfortable and calm grooming experience for your pet. With its 3-liter extra-large dustbin, this grooming vacuum is perfect for households with multiple pets, handling the shedding of large, medium, and small dogs, as well as cats, effortlessly. The FIXR PG50 Powerful Dog Vacuum Grooming Kit combines efficiency with convenience, offering pet owners a comprehensive grooming solution. With its 11,000 pascal suction power, this vacuum effectively captures 99.99% of pet hair, preventing it from scattering and maintaining a clean environment. Whether at home or in a grooming salon, it ensures that your space remains tidy after each session. This 5-in-1 grooming kit includes everything you need for an all-around grooming experience. Along with the vacuum, it features an electric dog clipper with 4 guide combs, a shedding brush, a cleaning brush, and a nozzle head, all stored neatly in a convenient bag. The clipper's adjustable combs cater to different hair lengths, ensuring a precise trim for every pet, while the shedding brush helps eliminate tangles and loose fur. The vacuum operates quietly at under 65 decibels. And the 4.6-foot hose allows for extra distance, reducing anxiety for sensitive animals. Gone are the days of endless sweeping and lint rolling. Your pet's grooming routine just got a major upgrade. The UBROBO PG 10 steps in with a 12,000 Pascal powerful dog vacuum grooming kit designed to change how you manage pet hair. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it captures 99% of floating hairs and tiny particles, protecting your indoor air quality while keeping hair off your furniture and floors. The vacuum function directly sucks loose hair into the 1.4-liter dust box, saving you from any messy cleanups. Built for efficiency, this all-in-one pet vacuum grooming kit features 4 specialized tools, seamlessly combining suction and grooming. The de-shedding brush minimizes hair shedding and prevents tangles, while the dog clippers, paired with 6 adjustable combs, 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 24 millimeters, let you trim with precision. 3 suction levels ensure a customized grooming experience, keeping your pet calm and comfortable. The 5.2-foot flexible hose and 13.4-foot power cord give you the freedom to groom anywhere, whether indoors or out in the yard. Operating at a low 60 decibel noise level, it prevents your pet from feeling anxious. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.